You know what's so interesting about this program and what we're discussing is there's always been this negative stigma of what it was 20, 25 years ago to what it is today. And I think it's important for the agent to know that them being at the center of the transaction at all times with their clients is there is a massive benefit beyond the stigma. How do we simplify this for an agent to be able to say, if I was your agent, how would you describe this to me?
So the first thing I would say is you got to get certified. Not certifiable, certified.
Certified meaning?
Meaning we have lifestyle home loan certification events all across the country.
Okay.
So going through your teams, through your Keller Home Loans teams, coming directly to us, as we're partners. We have some of them that are done via webinars, so if they can't make that physically in the same room, but we also conduct them live in many markets today.
So that's great, because ultimately for the Keller agent, the center of the transaction, right? We want to give them a toolbox full of all these amazing opportunities, because the opportunity of what we're talking about with the lifestyle mortgage is so uniquely different that once upon a time they were transacting and all of a sudden they get to a certain age and they're not doing as much of it.
Yeah.
Let's not even look at it as a transaction. What is that opportunity now to be able to help that person that's 65 and possibly even at 55 at some point to get into something that they're going to financially benefit from and also take a lot of that stress away.
Right, and we have two products. So most people think that the product is only for age 62 and above. We have a proprietary product also that you can utilize down to age 55, and we're rolling that out strategically in states across the country.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Yep.
So our number one thing right now is to create education,
Yes.
simplification,
Yes.
an opportunity to the agent being the center of the transaction to their clients, regardless of age.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Yep. And I would remind everyone that we are number one in the industry in reverse mortgages, and we are number one in the space utilizing it as a purchase tool, branded as the lifestyle home loan. So if an agent is interested in finding out more about the lifestyle home loan, then what do you suggest that they do?
I think the greatest suggestion we do, number one, is empowerment. We want to educate as much as we can. I mean, understanding that the agent being a center transaction is also generated by education and understanding of how their clients work, right?
Yeah.
So I think the first step is talk to the local Keller Home Loans or mutual mortgage lender within the office.
Yeah.
And then I think really importantly is to get some people on our team to come in and share the experience within the office of the Market Center, whether it be Zoom or actually physically being there.
We prefer to do it face to face, and we are strategically available across the country to conduct these certifications in their market center.
So just so the agent knows, this is no different than being certified as a VA lender or a VA agent. Same thing. We're certifying you in something that you will infinitely be able to educate your clients with, the clients that you typically are not transacting anymore, and enabling them to have a better experience in their retirement. Would you agree with that?
100%.